Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to fix Excel runtime error 438, object doesn't support this property or method. This error occurs when trying to execute the designed macro of Excel's previous version into the latest Excel application. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix runtime error 438 in Excel using 7 fixes. Method 1, check all references are declared in the code. You can get the runtime error 438 if all the references are not declared. So, make sure you have declared all the references in the code. To verify this, you can use the debug mode by pressing F5 or clicking on the debug option. Method 2, change trust center settings. Change trust center settings. Sometimes, runtime errors might arise because of incorrect security settings. The trust center settings help you find the privacy and security settings from Microsoft Excel. To change the trust center settings, open Microsoft Excel. Go to File, then Options. The Excel Options window is displayed. Choose Trust Center, and click Trust Center Settings. Tap on the Macro Settings tab, and select Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. Click OK. Method 3, update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix Excel runtime error 438 in VBA. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Method 4, use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Method 5, open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Method 6, copy the Excel sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve object doesn't support this property or method Excel error. To do this, open your password protected sheet, select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook, and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Method 7, use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel runtime error 438, object doesn't support this property or method. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.